Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka inter-house football tournament ka Arsngi melapenlong ka Phudmuri Presbyterian High Secondary School kelong ka Shongshit balapan ha perdai ka limpungi da kai football dau emily berem ka molai constituency ba piti sau kemi ublalong ko mukongsan ublano asenyang da ka song pisa chaka principal janga school ka kong pilarenja haga kedan senior ka yola house kala yo rai ka nam la do ri makala ban pedlim ya greenhouse da ar la shigol haga jinya kon ya ka final haga kedan junior ka greenhouse kala yo rai ka nam la do kat ba ka blue house kala wan haga kedan ka baar haga kedan senior jonki kinthe ka blue house kala yo rai ka nam la do kat ba ka red house kala wan haga kedan ka baar haga je shot penalty jonki sub junior ka red house kala job ka nam la do kat ba ka greenhouse kala wan haga kedan ka baar bat ka blue house kala yo khor ek kusnam best discipline kiwe gi blai dan lagi ken thobru ek khot ka school managing committee kino hikai bat kik mi kik pa
My gratitude goes to the principal, our teachers, non-teaching staff, students, parents, members of the managing committee. Once again, you have invited me to be the chief guest of inter-house football tournament of your school. Thank you for the institution, for the opportunity that given to me. Part of your football tournament. I have already heard from your teacher. Yesterday is all even started of your football match. And today we will have final football match. Yellow is this green house. It is a moment of joy once again to be part of your school. I have been in your school for many years. And the teachers have already mentioned I was MLA for 3 term, MPC 1 term, the minister. A long time in my career as a public leader. I have inspired me in the future to be the leader. It is dependent on God's wish. My dear student, today we'll have a football match of the two houses, the green and the yellow. I could see that both teams are ready for the competition, ready for the challenges. But the difference here today, the competition and challenges student versus student, student of the Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School versus the student of the Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. But I'm sure both of the team will do the good, will do the best. Like you have already been see that in front of us, medal have already been prepared by the school, and also the winner and also the runners-up have been prepared by the school. And I'm sure those winners will get the medal, and those winners will get the mementos. Even the second runners-up and others will get the intention of the school is to focus on two things. Number one, education and sports. It is very important to focus on education. All the institutions that we have in our state, in the countries of the world, they concentrate on the two important aspects: education and sports. We have to balance both. To produce a good student, that is the future of a youth in the future. Also produce a good sports person, or a good footballer, be promoted in the future of our state. In this days, almost all the schools like I've already said in the state, even here in the city of Shillong, even at Mawai, all the schools they have the annual school sports meet, or some school they have a football match. And I'm sure that the intention of the school to promote a good footballer. And I'm sure all students who have been here today, you have your own desire, own plan, own vision, own ambition, what you would like to be. But my appeal to all the students of the Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School and all the students of the state, God has sent you and I this world with His own plan and purpose. Purpose of the Lord Jesus sending you to the world to me, saving of the society, saving the state. I will continue. Like what he said, I've been here in a political career as a public leader for the last 30 years. I've been here as a public leader, as a public servant. It will continue because I have an desire. I have ambition to do something for the society. My dear students, many of you have been here. Like Wally said, you have your own vision, your own desire, your own wants, and your own ambitions. What you have to do, you have to concentrate. Like teachers have already said since yesterday, many youth have been participating in the football tournament. Junior we have, sub-junior, senior and others. And I'm sure that all of you would like to be a good footballer. You would like to play football. But maybe you have this own desire, be a cricketer, be a karate, be a boxing, or be others that you would like. But the main important, my appeal to all of you, you have to concentrate. You have to concentrate in any discipline that you want. If you concentrate, you are spending your time. If you do concentration, if you have a consistency, if you have perseverance, I'm sure that whatever you would like to be, I'm sure you will grow up. Intention of the Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School is to promote a good sports person. Not only to end here in Abandon, not only to end here in Shillong City, I mean to participate locally, nationally, internationally. That is what they want to be a good footballer, a good sports person. Like we have already experiences in this list. The government support for those sports persons. Education or academic. The Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, they are doing good from time to time. Internship is very important because the teachers are working so hard. Like we have a program today, or any program, teachers Even the school in private school with good teaching. Any program, teachers are the backbone of any program. I would like to express my thanks, appreciation to all the teachers. You have worked so hard and make this sports even successful and also football tournament successful. Without the hard work, the backbone, the contribution, the hard work of all of the teachers, we would not be seen that we have seen today. That is the contribution of the teacher. Not only for that, teachers and the schools as a whole would like to see as the student of Phudmuri Presbyterian High Secondary School, when you appear for the class 10, when you appear for the class 12, you would like to see for the good result. That is what they want, what will depend on you, my dear student. You would like to be, you may be good in the sports, but you are not good in education. That will not satisfy your life. Life will come satisfied. If you try your best to be at the top, you be dream big. What is you have a dream big? All of you have a dream. You dream to be a big person. What is really important, you have to start from the beginning. You have to start from the scratch. When you start from the scratch, so this is the consistency and perseverance, and I'm sure that you will reach at the top. Once again, I express my thanks to the principal, all the teaching staff. They are the ex-teacher, parents for your support. I wish all the best for the team that we will play today. All the team would like to win, but I'm sure that the motto respect the game, earn to win. That we have in the field, we have to play, we have to win. But the main important, the spirit of sportsmanship. Whether I lose or I win, it doesn't matter. But the main important, I'm a sportsman. I will fight the spirit of sportsmanship. With this word, thank you. I wish all the best in the today tournament. Thank you all.
Okay.
Free kick.
Để nóng tê á.
Next is the greenhouse. Come on, greenhouse, come on. Let's see the goal. Yay! Greenhouse of goal. Now, right now, we want to see a score from you too. Come on. Come on, greenhouse. Let's see the score. Yay! That's the score, greenhouse. Now next again is greenhouse. Let's go once again. Wow, what a save by the Yellow House. Well tried by the You have the ball now. Yellow has the ball. Woo! Saved by the greenhouse. Come on. Will the green score? Oh. Ball is with the house. Will they score? Oh. No, not yet.
You can see right away.
Greenhouse, are you cheering for your house? I can't hear you. Come on. Greenhouse, are you cheering for your house? Come on, good. Ball is with the greenhouse. Oh. Ball is with the yellow house now. Will they score? Good defense. Oh, missed by the greenhouse. Woo! The winners are the Yellow House Champion Boys Football Tournament. Well done, Meshua Yati El Nonglan, Aaron Hasha, Janai Lam Soapun, Eliza Marbanyang, Dewanshan Kem Kurba. Jovius Ilyong, Johanan Karshendi, Richmond Sun Ili, Nangman Halang Kurba, Ebiangki Mauro, Damanhas Ili, Haban Roy Star, runner-ups. And winner of the Senior Girls Football Tournament is the Blue House. A big round of applause for the Blue House. The players are Mibashisha Komsi, Rikinti Rimbai of Red House. Come on, louder applause everyone, not only the Red House. Karnayong, Poland. Guys, I've got the best champion house. So I request the captain of the Blue House to receive the best house. Well done, Blue House. A well-deserved prize. Congratulations to all the students and the house teachers of the Blue House. Emlak Dakar, Kenny Wilson Karwanyang, Hanan Bes Karnayor, Wan Ker Name Karbuli. I request Daman Kinsai, Banshan Langs Jadil Nelson Wan, Jovelson Hardev Sao, Rovinus Raji, Wilfredo M. Marshallon, give a big round of applause to the sub-junior greenhouse runners-up. Come on, a big round of applause for the runners-up Blue House. Come on, a louder applause, everyone. Come on. They showed us a great game today. Let's show our appreciation. The runners-up for the football tournament Lingdon, Emika Lingdon Nolan, Vila Akor Wanyang, Arili Win Wajri, Akyangkor Virat, Kani, Samanha Mawen, Gawanlang Nyoga, Ibang Sharan Soton. The winners or the champions of the senior boys football tournament is the Yellow House. Dolmoklong Matlaw, Sangkupar Priem, Milamkupar Paryong, McDonald Walam, Firmanstem Karjang Sunding, Alfredi Karwanyang, Miladon Bok Kardelsam, Clifford Priem. A big round of applause for our champions of the senior boys, Yellow House.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.